Hello everyone, Chamber Customs here with the first casting method, part 2. And what we're going to show you here is filling up the various moulds. So what I've got here is I've got 2 cups, and this is the plastic that I'll be using. It is a 1 to 2 part, so 1 part of part A to 2 parts of part B. And this one's red because I've used a dye in this one, and then mix that up. So if you just use this normally, it will set to a white plastic, but if you add a dye to it, it will change that colour. So put the red dye in there, and we've got the part B. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to mix these 2 parts together, and what I like to do is I like to add part B to part A, and you've got about, for this material, about 15 minutes working time, so it's plenty of time, but just, be mindful of the time you've got. And I will put a link to this plastic here down below in the blog, with a link to the blog, along with about 6 other types of plastics you can use that will give you just the same results. However, some of them have a different type of method of casting. So anyway, let's begin. We'll add part B to part A. As you can see from that pour, part A is a little more viscous than part B. And then scrape down the sides. There we go. And we've got a mould here. I'm just going to put that there. This one looks a little bit rough, but that's alright. It's just trying to show you. And what I like to use is I like to use a nice syringe. What a syringe does, if you can pick them up from a pharmacy, or you can pick them up a lot of places. And a thing with a syringe is you can get a nice even pour for the amount you want to use. And of course, as you can see, I've used a lot of plastic just for this little mould, but I probably will use the rest of this plastic for a larger mould that I will make later. So anyway, we'll take up okay, so now we've got the plastic in here. Move this out of the way, and you'll be surprised at how dark this red will actually set. You kind of need to get an idea for what the plastics actually do and how they actually work. Now when pouring, you want to pour from the deepest part of the mould so it fills upwards. You never want to pour from the shallow part, because as you pour the liquid, you'll create air bubbles. But the thing is, this is quite a liquidy plastic when wet, or when in this state, so you can afford maybe to be a little bit blasé with the pouring, but just pour a nice steady stream. But I'll do this with one hand. So there you have it. Now that's nice and full. You can see the wobble in the middle. And what you want to do, if you see any little air bubbles, which I can, you want to get maybe a pin would be the best option, but this is all I have at the moment. What you want to do is you just want to see them, and you just want to pop them. You see them, and you pop them. And I'll let that cure. And in the next video, guys, I will show you one that I've already done. And yeah, that's all for now, guys. So like I said, let that cure until it becomes a hard colour, and then you're ready to demould. And also just a little quick point, if you want to shave down the sides to make your mould look a bit nicer, you can. I've just left these completely bare, but I might do that now. I might just sort of shave the sides down so it's more workable for this next step, which is quite important, which is demoulding the mould. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and keep your eye out for part 3, which should be up today as well. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye.